So guys, once you're on this screen, for the first step, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard. Click on Shift and F10, and now this will come up, the command prompt. And now once we're here, you want to search for reg edit, and then click on Enter. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand setup. You want to create a new folder called lab config. So you want to right click on setup and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this lab config. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. We should now be in the lab config folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this bypass TPM check. Again, spell it the same way how I did, same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Next, right click on the white space, new, dword 32-bit value, call this bypass CPU check. Click on enter. Again, right click on the white space, new, dword 32-bit value, bypass RAM check, and then click on enter. For the last one, right click on the white space, new, dword 32-bit value. You want to call this bypass secure boot check, and then click on enter. You want to repeat what I'm going to show you for all of them. So for the first one, double click on it, value data 1. So in this box, type in the number 1 and then click on OK. Repeat that for the other ones. So for the second one, CPU check, double click on it. In this box, type in the number 1 and then click on OK. Next one, number 1, click on OK. Last one, number 1, click on OK. It should now look like this. Once that's been done, you can now close out of this. You can also close this, and you can continue on with the Windows installation, and it should be working for you.